What it do, Millie crew? It's your girl Millie, of course, back with the first video. Maybe this might be my second video of 2020, but we are in we're in motherfucking 2020, you guys. That's insane. It's time to buckle down. It's time to focus on our goals. It's time to do what it do. It's time to, you know what I'm saying? Like, not that a new year you should have new goals or whatever the case. You can start over anytime you want, but you know, a new year is always refreshing to people. Like the other year is over, all the stuff that they went through, like, it's done. I don't know, but it's 2020, and ladies and gentlemen, we gotta get to it. So with that being said, today I'm just gonna bring you like a little casual, you feel me, makeup look. So we might as well get into it. Take my James Charles mini palette. Yeah, got that mini on deck. And honestly, this is like the most simple eye look ever. I've never done it, but we gon' make it look good. So I'm just gonna take black. You guys know what black looks like. And I'm gonna take this tapered brush here, and I'm gonna make it look like I'm doing a wing. I'm just gonna take my black and go along my lash line. And boom. Now I'm gonna take this brown, just any brown shade you have, and I'm gonna soften that up a little bit. You guys know the deal with makeup. You just gotta blend all the time. And you can go back in and create more depth, whatever you want to do. You can, the world is your oyster, okay? Now it would be a lot easier if you had a pencil brush for this. I don't have one, so it's kind of hard. But what I am gonna do, I think I'm gonna go in with an eyeliner and kind of smudge it out. So I literally can't read this. There's nothing on here. I think it's a NYX eyeliner pencil. What I'm gonna do is just go along so now that I added the black eyeliner, I'm just gonna smudge it out. Like I said, this would be a lot easier if I had a smudge brush, but I don't. We're gonna move on to the face. I'm gonna take, I think I'm gonna mix my Maybelline 24 Hour with my L'Oreal True Match. This is Sun Beige. It's a little bit too dark for me. And then this is Natural Beige. So I'm gonna mix the two, and then that'll be like my perfect kind of shade. I want to know how your guys' 2020 is going so far. How do you feel? Do you feel like you're accomplishing the things that you said you wanted to accomplish so far? What's the deal? What's going on? Honestly, my 2020 started off interesting. Let's just say interesting. But I'm not going to complain about it because, you know, every day is a learning lesson. And honestly, let's be real, if you're not learning, what are you really doing? If you're not growing, what are you really doing? So, you know, I just take every situation as a lesson and I learn from it. But you shouldn't beat yourself up about it, because honestly, if you're stuck in that and you're just dwelling on whatever you're going through, you're never gonna grow from it. Certain situations, yeah, there's gonna be pain, there's gonna be certain things, but if you just try to find like the bigger picture, and try to figure out, you know, what it's teaching you, you won't be so stuck in it for such a long period of time. I mean, it's hard not to be stuck in certain situations, like, oh my god, why is this, why? But yeah, I just don't think people should dwell, you know, on certain situations. Yeah, it happened, you went through it, accept it, move on, learn from it, grow. You know, like, we not on that in 2020, okay? We ain't on that. We are accepting things, we're moving on, we're being great, we doing great things, all of that. Honestly, for 2020, hashtag no excuses. That is that's my judge, my motto for 2020. Hashtag no excuses. We getting shit done, okay? We making it happen no matter what, regardless, point blank. This is the Becca Luminous Concealer in Light, of course, because I'm light. But yeah, I really want to travel somewhere. Like, have the urge right now to just go somewhere. Like, I really feel like I need it. So I'm gonna figure out somewhere to go. Lashes I'm gonna be using are Ardell Wispies, of course. And in 2020, we're cutting our eyelashes. I already do that, but we cutting our eyelashes in 2020, okay? So I usually take, I know y'all probably can't see that, the first little two, like, sections. I just cut that joint off. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend in my concealer. So for my setting powder, I'm gonna go in with my Derma Blend and my, can't see, but my ColourPop translucent powder. This one's a little bit darker than this one, so I like to mix the two to kind of, you know, make it my kind of my skin color. Not really my skin color, but you guys get it. Now, I'm not gonna tell you guys my plans for this channel this year, because I did that last year and I did not stick to it. I didn't upload at all. So like I said, this video I just wanted to make to pop up to show you guys, like, look, I'm back. For my bronzer, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Too Faced Broken Ass bronzer. Cannot forget highlight, Nefertiti. Boom. You don't have to go in with lashes if you don't want to, but I like the wispies because they're natural, but they're still giving you a little bit more than your regular lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop those on. All right, now that our eyelashes are on, we can pick a lip color. I think I'm just gonna go in with this ColourPop lip pencil in Off 2. Line my lips first of all. First of all, clean my lips. Shoot. I'm over here tripping. I got a freaking pencil sharpener right here. I'm over here struggling trying to put on this dull ass lip pencil. And then I'm gonna just go over that with some lip gloss. I'm gonna take this NYX Butter Gloss in, I think it's Teddy Bear? Ginger Snap, I was wrong. Looks like that. Won't you do, drop it like the 80s. Cheese. By the Cash App. Told up. I don't know the rest. Well, I do, but probably not. Alright, you guys, that is it for this mother freaking video. I just want to pop up on here, show my face, let you know I'm here for 2020, and I'm not just going to post one video per year, I promise. This completes this video. It's a little natural glam, you feel what I'm saying? But I gotta go. I can hear these kids driving their grandma insane. So until next time, you guys, bye.